I'm Andrew Kerr. I'm a research fellow in the Department of Molecular Sciences here at Macquarie University. I specialise in integrating synthetic biology and nanomedicine to create new treatments for diseases. At the moment I'm specialising in protein nanocages and developing these for the treatment of Alzheimer's. There are currently over 400,000 people in Australia that suffer from Alzheimer's. At the moment, the treatments only alleviate the symptoms. They don't treat the underlying disease-causing mechanisms. Therefore, it's a massive unmet need that needs to be addressed to benefit society. When we found out that we were going to be funded by Dementia Australia for this project, we were super excited. It really meant that we could take our idea and really follow it through. So the steps involved in this research is to understand how protein nanocages work. Then we want to understand how safe they are, how they interact with brain cells. And then we want to understand whether we can engineer them to stop the transmission of proteins between brain cells and stop the advancement of Alzheimer's disease. Through Dementia Australia, Bondi to Berry and Bondi to Brighton charities were able to support our research by providing us with a project grant and also providing a PhD scholarship for our PhD student India Boyton.
I was really excited to receive this PhD scholarship from Dementia Australia because it will allow me to pursue my dreams of being a scientist and let me continue my research over the next 3 years. My passion is protein nanotechnology and applying this to the treatment of diseases. Alzheimer's disease in particular is a very prevalent disease with about 50 million cases worldwide, and there is currently no cure. In Alzheimer's disease, a protein called hyperphosphorylated tau spreads between neurons, which is correlated to the spread of disease throughout the brain. So we aim to engineer a protein nanocage to come in and disrupt this spread of the protein. This PhD scholarship from Dementia Australia has given me the opportunity to continue my research over the next 3 years. And this means a lot to me because this project could have a real impact on people with dementia and their families. And so that inspires me to continue working on this in the future.
This funding is going to seed this work. It's going to allow us to explore an area that we really want to explore but we haven't been able to do. It has allowed us to explore how these nanocages work. It allows us to produce them, purify them, engineer them and apply them. This is the first funding we've received for Alzheimer's disease. We're excited by that because it's going to allow us to transfer our novel nanotechnologies into the treatment of Alzheimer's and opens a lot more doors to possibly treating other neurodegenerative diseases.
It's exciting to be part of such a young and innovative team across multiple universities. One of my supervisors, Andrew, is a specialist in nanomedicine at Macquarie University, and my other supervisor is Lindsay in Adelaide, who is a neuroscientist, and so together they give me the knowledge I need to complete my project.
One of the most enjoyable things about this project is that it's transdisciplinary and that we get to work with researchers outside of our field, but it's a massive collaboration between us and Adelaide University, and so there's a lot of interaction between us back and forth. We have regular Zoom meetings together discussing the project, sharing data, strategizing about what the next steps are going to be, and it's quite enjoyable to have that, and it's quite a connected young team, and I think that's part of the driving force behind this work. Our hope is that our technology will be able to provide a therapeutic intervention for patients suffering from dementia and give them real hope. And we're really excited about the future for it.